Okay, question came in about cleaning up your inbox. And what I wanted to do was show you a quick trick in Gmail that I love, which is drop this down, do greater than, just start with 10 megs because that's a pretty large email. And considering when I started with email, it was much, much less than that for entire inboxes. So what you can do is look at everything and decide what you want to do. See, I'm going back to 2006 and just taking a look. So this is an apartment that we had a long time ago. And there are a whole bunch of things in here that are likely not as important. And by doing this, what we can do is just get rid of a fair amount of space fairly quickly, because on the second page, it's not going to show me everything. Um, and by doing that, you can essentially get rid of things that are not as important, but things that may end up. Here we go. And what you can do is also clean up a fair amount of things there. And you can also, because we're focusing on the biggest, we're going to get the biggest results from it. You also can go a little bit less aggressive and just do like 5 MB. But as you can see from doing just that, if we go over and let's go inbox, then it's probably being covered by the video. So you can see there's a bunch of stuff that is being filtered. So right now we're at, if I can move myself around, so we're at 14.4. And then if we just go empty trash, we can just hit refresh. And I just did a couple of these here, but just to show you, yeah, 13.86. So it's a fairly significant thing for a few minutes, or probably about a minute and a half. So it's a cute little tip. Just use the little arrow down and pick things that are important to you to have a fast filter.